Right, 3-mark question. It's about regular shapes and we're trying to find out the missing angle here. Now, a regular hexagon and a regular pentagon, it means that every one of those internal angles in the hexagon are the same, and every one of those internal angles of the pentagon are the same, but they are different. The pentagon's ones are different. So we're going to call these the P, and we're going to call this H. If I know what H and P are, then I can work out X. So the first thing I'm going to do is focus on the H's and the P's. There are a number of ways of approaching this. I like to work at it from a calculation of the internal angles. Internal angles inside a triangle add up to, they sum to 180. If I had a triangle here and I said, what do they all add up to? You'd say 180. If I had a quadrilateral, a 4-sided shape, then it would actually be the same as having 2 triangles, 180 here and 180 here. So the internal angles inside a triangle add up to 360. There's another triangle here and we add it again to 180. So 380 add 360, we add another 180, gives us 540. And for 6, we add another 180, which gives us, if you're not sure, then that's a 0. 4 plus 8, 2, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5, 6, 7, sorry, 720. My brain was not behaving itself. This has got 6 sides, this has got 5 sides. So we're looking at these 2 numbers here. This is the total number of all of the angles inside a pentagon, a 5-sided shape. So what we need to do to find just what one of those angles are, we take the 540 and we divide by 5. We divide that by 6 to find the one angle. These are all angles. 540 divided by 5. 0 carry 4, 8. 720 divided by 6. 7, 1, carry 1, 2. Okay, so I now know that inside a pentagon, that angle is going to be 108. Inside a hexagon, a 6-sided shape, it's going to be 120. So if I redraw this little bit in here, this is my pentagon, this is my hexagon, and this is my X. And if I just delete this bit here, and it might become, if now your whole question was, what's X? I'm hoping you'd be able to take it through from there. We're going to add those 2 together. And then we're going to take them away from that magic number. We took it away from 360, which gave us 132, and that is what X is. I'm just going to go back up here, work out the size of the angle marked X. That is exactly what we needed to work out. There are other ways of getting there. There are other calculations and formulas. I find that remembering that these all angles add up and they step up in 180s means that I don't need to memorize these. I don't need to memorize a formula. I just need to know. You do need to be good with your division and your addition to be able to calculate this. However, I'm hoping you can step through and be able to work to the end of that question.